Currently on the screen is the latest satellite view of the eastern region. An area of interest is the low pressure system to the south of Fraser Island down into northern New South Wales. This is an earlier view of the Brisbane's radar via the weatherzone.com.au website. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where some areas in northern New South Wales are receiving some nice rainfall, and this is the latest GFS model look at total precipitation across the forecast period. This model is available on the Tropical Tidbits website, which is owned and operated by Levi Cowan. The Bureau of Meteorology New South Wales continues to update various warnings, and severe weather warning for heavy rainfall remains in place for the northern rivers, parts of the mid-north coast, forecast districts. A low pressure system developed within a trough off the far southern Queensland and northern New South Wales coast yesterday, and continues to generate showers and heavy at times. Rainfall totals in excess of 200 millimetres has fallen in the last 72 hours to 4 a.m. Tuesday over these districts. Up to 100 to 150 millimetres further may fall in parts of the Northern Rivers district over the next 2 days. Locations which may be affected: Lismore, Grafton, Goss Harbour, Byron Bay, Ballina. This is the warning area. Minor flood warning remains current for the Richmond and Wilson's rivers. Further rainfall is forecast for the next 24 to 48 hours, which could produce further river level rises. The situation continues to be monitored, and updated information will be issued if necessary. Minor flooding is currently taking place along the Wilson's River at Lismore. And the Wilson's River peaked at 4.68 metres early Monday morning at Lismore. Another satellite view. The Bureau of Meteorology does not have any information re this low, which is supposed to be offshore from the Gold Coast. And the Bureau of Meteorology New South Wales has a gale warning current for today and tomorrow for the Byron coast. Now we have another look at the Windy website and one or two weather models. Now this is across the next 3 to 4 days, and this is one item that we will be monitoring closely, because we might see more low pressure systems developing over the next week. As mentioned, the New South Wales office has in place a gale warning, and up here in the southeast corner of Queensland, especially the Gold Coast region, the BOM via their Brisbane office has a gale warning currently in place for the Gold Coast waters. The latest upper level of divergence for the eastern region, and where the low pressure system is up to 20 knots. The latest wind shear, and look at that area in green that has actually developed over the northern New South Wales region. The A50 millibar vorticity, and look at the area in red. Tasmania, strong wind warning for the lower east, southeast, southwest coast for today, and a similar one for Wednesday. And coming up to Queensland, a gale warning as mentioned, current for the Gold Coast waters, and a strong wind warning for the Peninsula Cooktown Coast, Sunshine Coast waters, including Moreton Bay. Minor flood warning remains for the Brunswick River Valley. An average of 144 millimetres of rainfall has been observed in the past 48 hours to 7 a.m. this morning over the Brunswick River Valley, with up to 35 millimetres falling over the last 3 hours. That was updated a couple of minutes before 8 a.m. Apology for that technical break. The latest satellite view of the western region. Precipitation outlook for the western region, taking in the Indian Ocean. The latest 12-hourly rainfall outlook, and look at that area from the brown to the blue, especially the area north of Lismore up to Brisbane. Rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and this is just a conservative look. Rainfall totals could be higher. This is the total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. And again, looks like the west coast of Tasmania could see some further rainfall. But look at the Western Coral Sea region right down to at least Gulf Harbour. The Bureau's Brisbane Doppler radar view. Looking at the area to the east, northeast of Gympie. Could that be where that low could be? As mentioned, the Bureau has no information on it.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.